Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Hazira Ibrahim from School of Business Management USI Utara Malaysia. Today I will be presenting a paper with the title Beyond Rewards, Understanding the Drivers of Employee Engagement in College Polytech Mara. My presentation will cover introduction, issues and objective, hypothesis, methodology, findings, discussion and the last one, implications. The emergence of new technologies such as artificial intelligence, IoT, and big data has transformed traditional working methods towards more automated and intelligent systems. These changes require employees to improve their digital skills and continuous adaptation, which can be stressful and reduce engagement levels if not well supported. Therefore, engagement is not just physical presence, but involve the mental and emotional dedication of employees in performing tasks productively and of high quality. High, high engagement has been shown to reduce the intention to quit a job, improve job performance, and promote positive behavior in the workplace. Previous studies show that employees who feel their efforts are valued, given career development opportunities, and enjoy a good work-life balance are more motivated and likely to show high levels of engagement. So in the educational environment especially, engaged employees are more proactive in improving the quality of academic services as well as contributing to the excellence of the institution. Furthermore, peer support or co-worker support becomes an important element in fostering engagement, provides a sense of belonging, and strengthens positive working relationship. Therefore, employee engagement is a strategic aspect that needs to be given serious attention in the education sector in Malaysia. So, in line with this view, this study assessed three main organizational factors, namely job recognition, job motivation, and co-worker support, which have the potential to strengthen engagement among polytechnic staff, thus ensuring better service quality and increased competitiveness of educational institutions. Based on discussion of previous studies, three hypotheses were proposed. Hypothesis 1, there is a significant positive relationship between job recognition and employee engagement. Hypothesis 2, there is a significant positive relationship between job motivation and employee engagement. And hypothesis 3, there is a significant positive relationship between co-worker support and employee engagement. This study used a quantitative approach to assess the relationship between the variables, and the unit of analysis for this study is individual. The study population included 215 staff of College Polytech Mara in Alostar and Ipoh. Based on convenience sampling techniques, a total of 142 valid responses were obtained for analysis. And the questionnaire instruments used consists of 5 sections covering demographic information as well as 4 main constructs. All items were adapted from a valid scale and widely used in previous studies as well as measured using a 5-point Likert scale. For the study construct measurement, employee engagement was measured using 21 items adapted from Routledge 2015, and job recognition was measured using 4 items by De Beer 1987, while job motivation was measured through 12 items by Gagne et al. 2010. Additionally, co-worker support was measured using 14 items by Tus et al. 2013. And data were analyzed using SPSS software version 24. Table 1 indicates that two of the independent variables, job motivation and job recognition, demonstrated strong positive correlations with employee engagement. And meanwhile, co-worker support recorded a moderate positive correlation, with employee engagement. Although one variable showed only a moderate relationship, all independent variables were found to have favorable and statistically meaningful associations with employee engagement, suggesting their importance as contributing factors in enhancing employees' involvement at work. Table 2 indicates that there is a positive significant relationship between job recognition and employee engagement, and between job motivation and employee engagement. Hence, H1, hypothesis 1 and hypothesis 2 are accepted. Support from coworkers does not appear to be related with employee engagement, thus hypothesis 3 is rejected. For job recognition, the Pearson value indicates a substantial relationship with employee engagement, supported by regression results, which confirm that job recognition significantly influences engagement. These findings show that when employees receive appreciation for their efforts, they will be more motivated to perform highly and exhibit innovative and proactive work behaviors. In fact, employers who consistently adopt recognition systems have the potential to improve a positive work environment and strengthen employee retention rates. Job motivation emerged as the most dominant factor in influencing employee engagement. These results are in line with previous research that found that motivation can increase employees' extra effort, commitment, and focus in achieving organizational goals. When employees' needs met through incentives, career support, or an encouraging work environment, they tend to be more engaged and contribute optimally to the success of the organization. Co-worker support showed a moderate association with employee engagement. However, regression analysis showed no significant influence on employee engagement. These findings suggest that social support from colleagues is not necessarily the main driver of engagement for employees in the study sample, the majority of whom are older and have served longer, perhaps because they are now more focused on rewards and career progression than social support. Despite this, co-worker support is still important as a facilitator of engagement in the context of young worker groups or specific industries. This study makes a significant theoretical contribution to the literature on employee engagement in the context of private higher education in Malaysia. These findings support Maslow's hierarchy of needs, in which the need for self-esteem, security, and self-actualization are the main drivers of engagement at work. Indirectly, this study expands the understanding that the formation of engagement does not rely on a single factor, but is the result of a combination of emotional elements, appreciation, and organizational support. Practically, private higher education institutions need to pay serious attention to strategies to increase employee engagement to ensure that the teaching staff remains motivated, loyal, and productive. To increase job motivation, which is identified as the most dominant factor, management needs to provide holistic rewards, including financial incentives, academic performance rewards, career development opportunities, as well as technology-based learning support. At the same time, consistent recognition of work not only increases the sense of appreciation, but also strengthens the psychological relationship of employees with the organization, thus improving the retention of quality staff and the overall performance of the institution. Co-worker support is still needed to promote academic collaboration and professional learning community practices in the workplace. Therefore, it is important for organizations to adopt a balanced approach to human resource management, such as prioritizing welfare, growth, and appreciation to ensure a high level of employee engagement in the long run. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.